Talk your shit, bite your lip.
As for Carly, ride that dick. Really ain't never gonna fucking pull a thing. Already made his mind up for a game. Hey, I can smell you. You shall not pass. You shall not pass. Oh yeah. My mom needs to talk to your mom to see if we can have a sleepover. No, this is Patrick. May the force be with you. Excuse me. Finish him. My name, my age, my favorite color, my height, my sign. Do I have a lover? Coochie, get your asshole. I shoved a whole bag of jelly beans up my ass. This shit bustin'. No, God. No, God, please, no. 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 Too bad. You can't. Remy the Remy the
Remy. Remy the Ratatouille.
Remy the
Fucker.
Remy the Ratatouille.
Good enough, that's good.
Go away, Tate. Go away.
Gross.
It's snowing. Okay.
Ew.
Ew. Ew. What? No.
Did you hear that? That's the best I can do. I'm out of drink.
May the force be with you. Say you are my baka. Choke me like you hate me, but you love me. Hey, what's up, you guys? Yes. Hey, what's up, you guys? Yes. I smell like beef. I smell like beef. Wake up already. We are Venom. Someone's been a bad night. Yeah. Oompa Loompa. Look at me. Look at me. I don't cook, I don't clean. But let me tell you, I got this ring. Couple me, swallow me, dripped on the side of me. Would jump out, boy, let it get inside of me. Tell him where to put it, never tell him where it better be. I'll run down on it for I have him. Run to me.